Welcome to Spoiled by Coco. Hi, I am Apurvi. Today we are making eggless brownies. I'll share all the tips so that you can bake the rich, fudgy and gooey brownies easily at home anytime. Let's begin. First we are going to make flax egg or egg replacer. For that, here I have flax seed powder. To this add water. Mix and keep aside for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, in a bowl add some butter, good quality chopped dark chocolate and cocoa powder, and melt everything on a double boiler or in microwave in 15 to 20 second burst. We are adding cocoa powder here since this way there is even distribution of flavor along with its enhanced flavor and texture improvement, resulting in denser and fudgier brownies. Continue to mix until all the chocolate melts. For that, I suggest you place it in microwave in 15 to 20 second interval so that our chocolate does not burn. And if you're worried, then the best way would be to melt it over double boiler. Once done, keep aside to let it cool to room temperature. Now in another bowl, take brown sugar along with castor sugar. See, this is our flax egg. It has thickened with gel-like consistency. Add this to your sugars and mix everything till all the sugar is completely dissolved, which is really important if you want crinkly top on your brownies. This step is the secret to all the brownies you see with crinkle top. Add vanilla extract and mix it in. Let us stir our melted chocolate and butter once before adding our flaxseed sugar mixture. Mix them together. The recipe is given in the description box below. You can click more to access that. If you feel like your brownie batter is thick, here you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of warm water and mix. This step is optional. Finally, add all-purpose flour and fold it in. You can also use whole wheat flour. Please like my video if you enjoyed it. Also, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. Now I am adding some chopped dark chocolate. This is optional. You can also add some nuts along with it and fold it in. Now for baking, here I have a 5-inch square tin which is lined with reusable baking mat. Pour your brownie batter in. Now using a spatula, I'll flatten the batter and make it smooth from top. You can tap the tin a couple of times before baking. Then bake this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 14 to 18 minutes until a skewer inserted in the center comes out with a few moist crumbs. Our brownie have baked well. Now I'll leave it to cool to room temperature. And bonus point here, keep it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours so that you can have the fudgiest brownies ever. Let's slice our brownie. For that, use a warm knife that is dipped in hot water for few seconds. Then wipe it dry with a kitchen towel and slice your brownies. This way you will get the nice, clean, sharp edges that you so often see. Just look at that chocolatey fudgy gooey brownie. Do try these at home and connect with me in comment section. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.